In the Western Isles, we are spoilt by stunning scenery, and it is truly a fantastic place to live and to bring up a family. But we also have another factor which makes our islands a great place to educate your child: the availability of Gaelic Medium Education. Gaelic Medium Education is available in 14 out of the 32 Scottish local authorities. In the Western Isles, it's available in the majority of schools, and most schools now have preschool Gaelic provision too. It was in 1986 that the first Gaelic unit started here at Briasbleach School on the west side of the Isle of Lewis. The unit began with 4 pupils, but soon other units began to appear across the Western Isles. The 2011 census of Scotland showed that just over 57,000 people in Scotland could speak Gaelic, with the Outer Hebrides being the main stronghold of the language. Over 87,000 people in 2011 reported having some facility with the language, and the number of speakers of the language aged under 20 showed an increase. If Gaelic is to survive, the passing on of the language is crucial, and the 0 to 3 age group is particularly important. There are many benefits associated with bilingualism, and over the last number of years a great deal of research has been done into Gaelic medium education. Never before have teachers, parents or educational practitioners been so aware of the many benefits. Bilingual people can have some specific advantages in thinking. They have 2 or more words for each idea and object. Hence, a bilingual person can develop a creative thinking and an ability to think more flexibly. Being bilingual has a positive effect on intellectual growth. It enhances and enriches a person's mental development. Latest research has proved that bilinguals are better at IQ tests as compared to monolinguals. Bilinguals are able to switch between different languages and talk to different people in various languages. This increases a sense of self-esteem. Being bilingual creates a powerful link to different people from different countries. A bilingual education offers better curriculum results. Research has proved that bilinguals tend to show a higher performance in exams and tests. People who are fluent in 2 languages often find it easier to learn and speak additional languages. Bilinguals can understand and appreciate literature in various languages. It gives a deeper knowledge of different ideas and traditions and helps improve ways of thinking and behaving. Bilingualism offers an access and exposure to different cultures. Knowledge of different languages offers a treasure of traditional and contemporary sayings, idioms, history and folk stories, music, literature and poetry in different cultures. Being bilingual offers potential employment benefits. It offers a wider choice of jobs in various fields. Bilinguals can get prosperous career opportunities in the retail sector, transport, tourism, administration, secretarial work, public relations, marketing and sales, banking and accountancy, media, translation, law and teaching. Many parents are anxious about being able to support their children with homework, but schools are very supportive, and Storland have an excellent website, Gaelic for Parents, which offer online support. During school term time, live online help is available from Monday up to and including Thursday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. each evening. Eilean Siar's award-winning website e-storas also has resources which can be used by adults to support their children's learning. Our recently launched app and website, Oran na Clunyabiga, has 20 songs and accompanying animations. It's never too young to get them introduced to Gaelic song, and with the app you can listen to the songs anytime and anywhere. Go Gaelic is a new website from Storland. Although the Gaelic language learning training course is designed primarily for teachers who have little or no language of Gaelic, the content of the website makes it an excellent starting ground for anyone who wants to start learning the language. This can be done in a fun, interactive way. Our Gaelic Medium Education website contains a bank of testimonies from parents who have chosen to put their children through Gaelic Medium. For those pupils in Gaelic medium education, there are so many opportunities open to them, from taking part in mods and faces to the BT Gaelic debate and Film G. All these things will develop their language skills further and build confidence. And all this looks great on a CV too. For more information on Gaelic medium education in the Western Isles, why not visit our Facebook page, or alternatively visit our website at www.gaelicmediumeducation.com.